Alright, hey everyone, we are back. Pivotal. Oh, we are back. The Hurricane HQ. It's been a while since I've, uploaded anything on this channel. Yeah, it's been a while. A long while. Yeah. So, yeah, let's get started. So, in this stream, I'm just mostly just me tracking, there are these two winter storms coming through. One isn't really bringing that much, I would say, winter weather, more tropical weather to the East Coast, and another one that'll be coming, that'll be going right into the Northeast, and that will do a lot of damage, and some are saying it actually could be quite severe. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna make this a longer stream, maybe around an hour, so you guys don't have to watch the entire thing, of course. In the beginning, I'm just gonna let you guys know exactly what's going on, and we'll go deeper into it later in the video. So yeah, let's get started. So first, I just want to show you guys our forecast model on tropical tidbits. We'll go into the Northeast in a second, but as you can see on the screen over here, this is where our first tropical storm is. Winter storm. Worst time. Oh my gosh. Alright, everyone, just give me a second. Well, I am very sorry about that. I did not mean to go there. That was unexpected. If you don't know, we have another channel called Pivotal Space. It's in the description. We have a link. Go check it out. Subscribe. The other person, a friend, that's the co-owner of the channel, just called me, so I kind of had to pick up. But yeah, go subscribe to that. And yeah, let's actually get started now. So over here, you can see this is the entire area along the East Coast is Winter Storm Finn. It's not, yeah, I would say Finn. Flynn. I can't, I think it's Flynn. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but originally it was bringing a lot more winter weather as it was more in the southeast to, I would say, Midwest. I'm not sure. In this area of the U.S., it was bringing a lot more snow at that time. Now as it moved in, it's not going to bring that much snow. We might see a little bit in parts of, I keep doing that. Where we can see some snow in parts of Pennsylvania. A lot of Pennsylvania could see some flakes. Northern New Jersey, New York State, New York City, New Hampshire, Vermont, Connecticut, parts of Massachusetts. You guys can all see a little snow. Even Virginia and West Virginia, you guys can see a tiny bit. And the very west of Maryland, you guys could see some sort of snow shower of some type. We could see more eastern areas, like Eastern Virginia, Maryland, Delaware. We could see a little bit more snow as it moves through, but probably not as much. Yeah, but when the system does move through, let's increase that frame real quick. Just a little bit. You can see it really does, a lot of that winter weather does go away. But on the very end of it, you can see it has some showers up here. And some of those snow showers can form more south in parts of Pennsylvania. And those are the areas really where we could possibly see some snowfall. And possibly into New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Delaware, maybe Maryland. We could see a few snow showers. It's kind of unlikely, but you might see a few flakes, but I don't expect any accumulation along the East Coast, really. Yeah, but you could see some flakes. And here I've been seeing a lot of heavy rain. And if we just go one more frame, you can see it all just moves right out into the Atlantic. Maybe a few lingering showers, but mostly it will go away by early morning hours of tomorrow. And yeah, it looks like we could see a few snow showers in northern New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, some areas of Maine, and a lot of Canada is going to see those light to moderate snowfall in tomorrow early morning hours. And I want you guys to pay attention over into the west or Midwest or so U.S. You can see over here we have a lot of lingering showers, it looks like, kind of, but this is going to become a lot larger than you think. This small area of what looks like showers, but it's a lot larger than showers, I assure you, is really a system that it's forecast to become a nor'easter and possibly be a very strong snowstorm when it comes into the Northeast. So I'm just going to go back in time to right now or today. You can see it looks like this. It doesn't really look that strong right now, but we will increase the time a little bit. And this looks like tomorrow it is moving slowly to the east. And let's just continue. You can see it actually starts to get a bit more organized, and it looks less like showers and more like a real system. You can see a little bit of circulation there. And then you can see it continues to get more organized, although it does look like we do see some rain to the southern end of it in parts of Oklahoma, possibly parts of Texas. It looks like we have rain from the system, and it does look like it's going to weaken a little bit as it heads down here, although we can see a little circulation. It's mostly rain down here in the southeast. Let's increase the frame, and then over here you can really see it starts to build up. You can see an area of circulation. You can see snow, and it looks like ice over here, ice or sweets, if you can see in some of these areas, and it really starts to look a little bit more like a real system. Let's go one more frame. And then you can see it really starts to gain momentum. You can see a small eye, it looks like, in the center of the system. Very small eye over there. Area of circulation. Yeah, up here, we're looking at some snow. Doesn't look too heavy up here. Down here, we can see either sleet or ice. I'm not totally sure. Possibly freezing rain. And I continue to take a skew. I'm very sorry. I will head back. Oh, yeah, that's kind of a little bit annoying, but... Alright, so let's move on to one more frame. Now, this frame is a real difference. You can see it really gains a lot of strength once it gets off the coast. You see, it really does strengthen. You can really see those pressure ionals now. You could really see that is a circulation, the area of circulation at 1,002 millibars, and it really does look like more like a tropical storm or hurricane now, although it's not, of course. It looks like it's taking the form of a nor'easter once it gets off the coast. And yeah, up here, yep, it's blue, it's snow. And you can even see some moderate to heavy snow in these areas. I wouldn't say too heavy, but light to moderate for most of Pennsylvania. A lot of New Jersey, northern New Jersey to central-ish New Jersey, you can see some light snow. Let's go one more frame. It's kind of annoying. Whoop. All right, well, we're going one more frame in, and it really does strengthen to 993 millibars, a lot stronger now. Less than 1,000, it went, let's see, down 10 millibars in one frame. And it really just gets a lot more defined. You can see areas of heavy rain off the coast, and on the coast we see some moderate to heavy snow, and even some intense snow in these areas. And the closer you are to the eye of the system, you're going to get stronger winds, and those stronger winds are really going to blow that snow around, and that can cause some problems, especially with traffic. It causes a lot more accidents. And yeah, it looks like moderate to heavy snow in some of these areas. Like most of New Jersey is in some moderate snow, even Maryland, some moderate to heavy snow, and nearly most, like 90% of Pennsylvania is covered in snow, somewhat snow, and I believe 100% will get snow at some point. We're going to move on one more frame and see what happens. Alright, so we moved on one more frame, and this is the next frame. It did weaken a bit, 999 millibars, still stronger than it was over land, as it was just coming out of North Carolina. And it is still dumping snow onto New Jersey and Long Island. Just dumping snow. This is very heavy. You can see I would see even heavy to intense snow for parts of Long Island and New Jersey. I would say more at the coastal New Jersey. So I would say northern New Jersey, you're going to get a lot of snow, put it that way. But I think the coastal areas have a high chance of some heavy snow, despite what others say. And, it's very early. We can't really predict this system that well. We won't be able to predict it that well. But this is what we're looking at so far. So let's move on one more frame. And, yeah, it looks like the system is moving out. This looks like by Thursday, early morning hours. The system's mostly moving out. It weakens to 1,002 millibars, slightly stronger than what it was when it came out of North Carolina. And this is really just going to be dropping snow all over New England, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. Once it gets to this point, a few showers are possible in New Jersey in the early morning hours, along with Pennsylvania, Delaware, and Maryland. But I don't expect too much snow. I would not expect any or little to no accumulation for New Jersey. Pennsylvania, a little bit of accumulation possible. Although I guess it is very cold in the morning, so we could see some accumulation. And yeah, it could be a lot of snow in these areas. It's not really that much of a snowstorm for Maine, Vermont, and New Hampshire. You guys are not going to be really a big part of this. Massachusetts, you possibly could get some decent snow. It really does depend where you are. If the system moves more south, it'll be New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and parts of New York, Connecticut, Rhode Island. That'll get most of the snow, including Delaware and Maryland. That will get most of the snow, but if it heads north, then it would really be New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, possibly New Hampshire and Vermont, and possibly northern Pennsylvania and New Jersey who gets that heavier snow. But the models are showing it's going to go kind of in the middle, not higher and not lower. It would definitely be a very large snowmaker wherever it goes. But it would probably be a very wet snow. And then we just go one more frame later into the day, Thursday. And here you go. I just got a notification from Accuweather, his biggest storm in years coming to the East Coast. That is what many are saying, and this could actually be a very dangerous situation here. And we still have some snow showers lingering around from this system. Although by Friday, early morning hours, it will be a very sunny day on Friday. But Thursday, later in the day, Thursday and Friday, we clean up. You have to. This is going to be a very damaging system. Whether it heads north, south, or just the way they're predicting it now, it will be very damaging. Where, I'm not sure. Here, where I am now, New York, not sure. Could have some moderate to heavy damage, really. But later in the day, Thursday to Friday, is really the cleanup day. I wouldn't recommend going out in the storm to snowblow or shovel, especially at night because it's very cold. I would wait till the next day after the threat is over. And I recommend no one drives in this because, yeah, it's literally a winter storm. You don't want to be driving in that. Because they're predicting blizzard-like conditions possibly, and it's going to go into the future. And it doesn't look like the Northeast is going to get any major nor'easters after this system. This system's going to be very bad. Like, all the way to December 25th, Christmas Day, we're not going to see any major storms. Well, at least that's not what we're looking at right now. Northeast, could we see a white Christmas? I don't know. With these showers, you might have a slight dusting if it is cold enough. We will be taking a look at that temperature model in a little while. But yeah, we could see one. Although this system that is coming through on Wednesday to Thursday, it could be one of the worst ones this year and even in years. We don't know how bad it's going to be. I guess we'll have to stay safe. I would recommend, if you're in the main path, you should definitely prepare. And I'm going to go, where should you prepare is the question. So, I would say in the Northeast, East Coast, you should prepare. I think you should prepare if you are in New Jersey, Northern Delaware, Pennsylvania, Southern New York State, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Southern Massachusetts. You should probably, get those snow shovels out for the year. I know many haven't already. Definitely get the snowblower out because you're probably going to need it. Ice melt, definitely. It's a good idea. Tomorrow evening, you should definitely put that snow melt on your driveway, on the walkways, even on the sidewalk, because you will probably use it. No matter how much snow you get, it will be useful. Yeah. So in the Northeast, they're probably going to start putting the salt on the roads also. I'm sure that's going to happen very soon, either today or tomorrow. Wednesday, you have to be prepared. I think the areas you really should prepare is Pennsylvania, Eastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut. I'd say Southern New York and Rhode Island. Yeah, that's probably going to see the most intense snowfall. Possibly 2 feet or more. Looking at the models, but yeah, it could be quite intense. Now, Pennsylvania, I want to show you this. I'm just going to tell you your snowfall potential. Will it snow or will it not snow is the question. I think if you are in Pennsylvania, anywhere in this main rectangle, you will get snow. You will get snow. If you're up here, probably not. You could get some showers, but it's nearly a guarantee if you're somewhere in this rectangle part of Pennsylvania. 90% of New Jersey will get snow. It looks like the entire state, actually. Except the very southern tip. I think that's Cape May or so. Yeah, you might not get snow, but nearly the entire state is bound for snow in New Jersey. A lot of Maryland, you should also prepare. Maybe not on the coast, but like in central Maryland, you should probably also prepare. And yeah, Connecticut, Southern New York, be wise. I think New Jersey, Eastern Pennsylvania, New York City, Long Island, Maryland. I think those are the areas you should really be worried about. So yeah, may head to the store, buy a new shovel if you need one, because you're probably going to. And yeah, I would avoid driving. I say anywhere later in the day to Wednesday into Friday, you should probably not be driving in some of these states. If there isn't really much snow afterwards, go ahead, but during it, you should not be driving at all. So yeah, let's move on. How long has this stream been? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I know Joey. Well, yeah, we're both the... No, that means we're both the owner. You're an owner and I'm a... I'll tell you later. But still, yeah, this thing has been 20 minutes. All right, well, we have a little while, a little longer. Yeah, so now we're just going to take a look at the wind speeds of this nor'easter coming through. First, we'll just take it normal wind speeds, although wind gusts are more accurate for this type of thing, so we're going to start off with that. So it looks like Wednesday is when the primary onset of this system will move in. So yeah, over here you can see it is moving out of North Carolina, and you can really see some powerful winds moving in. Near 5 p.m. Wednesday, you can see it's really going to be dangerous to be on a boat anywhere in these areas. Very dangerous waves, definitely. We see really strong winds moving into New Jersey, Delaware, Long Island, Maryland, and even parts of Pennsylvania. Along the coast, you're going to get the worst winds. Let's take a look. What is going on over here? So yeah, we could get 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts in parts of New Jersey. Especially along the coast. Along the coast, you guys should definitely be prepared because you get up to 70 mile per hour gusts. And yeah, that's probably the strongest of the winds we're going to get. Because then the system will begin to move out. Possibly strong, locally stronger winds. But yeah, that's probably the highest winds we're going to get. Let's go to Wave Watch 3. Yeah, these waves are going to be very high, so don't leave port. 6-foot waves over here. Over here, we're looking at 10 feet. So yeah, we can see some dangerous waves even inland. And yeah, definitely not good to be boating in this. 18-foot, 12-foot. I'm sure anywhere in this area it's not good to be boating. And the sea surface temperature, it's going to be very cool. Very cool waters as it moves north. Although that doesn't really make a difference. Looks like 55 degrees. And yeah, we're looking up here. Alright, let's move on to the pressure. This is really just good for knowing where the system will be and really when that really starts to move in. So, Wednesday, 3 a.m., a nice high pressure over the northeast. As we move to 5 a.m., though, that high pressure system kind of starts to move out. And then I would say around 4 p.m. Wednesday, you're really on the edge of, you're really in this average pressure. And 7 p.m., yeah, you're starting to get in there. 2 a.m., you're definitely going to be in this low pressure for most of Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, New Jersey, parts of Pennsylvania. Yeah, most of the coastal areas, you'll be seeing the worst of the weather at night. Yeah, most of the weather will occur at night for just the tri-state, the New York tri-state, and most of the East Coast in this northeast area. And then it'll probably move out by Friday. Friday we'll have a nice high-pressure system, which means very sunny skies. And yeah, the sun should help melt the snow a little bit. As we get deeper into Friday, it's a beautiful day on Friday. And Saturday will be looking very nice. Possibly some showers on Sunday. But it is looking very nice for the rest of the days. I think the danger day is Wednesday, Thursday, and yeah, that's probably it. And possibly Friday for roads. So now we're going to take a look at rain accumulation, new snow accumulation. This is over the next 5 days. This is the next 5 days for the ECMWF model. This model is showing a lot of snow for a lot of these areas. Just taking a deeper look into New Jersey. Let's see. New Brunswick area, you're going to be getting 15 inches of snow. New York City, decent 16.6 inches. That's not exactly 2 feet, but it's getting up there. Over a foot. Parts of North Jersey, you could be getting a little bit more. 23 inches. So nearly 2 feet. And yeah, we hit 2 feet in parts of New York State. Let's head down to Central Jersey. These areas, 15 inches. Let's see. Freehold Howell area, looks like 8 inches. Let's head down to South Jersey. This is really a lot less snow, 0.1 inches. There's not much snow going in South Jersey. And yeah, that's practically it. Parts of Pennsylvania can get 26 inches. I'm probably not going to see much over 30 inches from this system on the ECMWF model, although the GFS model, possibly some more snow, I would say. Definitely more snow for this part of like more Freehold area, Jackson, Manchester, Thomas River, all the way down to Stanford area. You're going to see a lot more snow with the GFS model. Let's take a look at the, whatever this thing is, Manasquan Reservoir. 18 inches, a lot better over there. Trenton, let's see, 19 inches, very good. Norristown, let's see, 15 inches. Parksburg, 20 inches. So yeah, we're going to see a lot of snow in these areas. 18 inches. And North Jersey, though, with the GFS, you're going to be seeing less snow. The GFS shows it heading more south. So it really does depend. The GFS says it will head through here. So if you were in central north, central south, you're going to be getting a lot more snow. And North Jersey, if according to GFS, you're only going to get 9 inches. New York, you're not going to get as much as anyone hopes. Really, as north as you can go with snow is 45 inches, I would say. As high as you can get for upstate, mostly. We're going to be seeing no snow in some areas, but probably most of New York State will be getting some snow. Connecticut area, not that much snow either. Not as much, at least. Wichita, 7. New Haven area, 6 inches. So yeah, most of the snow, according to GFS, is going to be in Pennsylvania. Let's see what's going on over here. 20 inches in Pennsylvania. And New Jersey and parts of Long Island, you're going to see the most snow. And according to NAM, let's see what we get. NAM doesn't really go that far ahead. We need to go further. So it only goes up to 60 hours. So it doesn't really show what's going on in New Jersey and Long Island. But it does show over here. The NAM's a lot more high resolution, I would say. It seems more accurate, but it's not always. It's kind of equal. But it's more accurate for like closer time. It doesn't go as far in the future. So it's just about as accurate as others. It just looks more accurate. It has more high-res images and stuff. But yeah, it's looking like you can get some decent snow all the way into Pennsylvania. We don't know what's going to happen after that because we got to see what happens because it only goes up to 60 hours. Not that much time. And you guys can feel free to jump into the live chat, discuss anything weather. If you have questions about this system, I'll be happy to answer them as soon as possible. And yeah, just if you got questions, throw them in there and I will answer them. And let's just take a look at temperatures. Temperatures right now are looking kind of warm. 40s, 37 degrees, New York, Hartford, Connecticut, 35. It's not looking too cold. In this blues, it's mostly freezing, just at the freezing mark. So right now, it's not that cold. Although as we continue to move on to Tuesday, 9 p.m., it gets real cold in some of these areas. And just jump into Wednesday. And right now, we're looking at the snow probability. Will it snow or will it not snow? We'll see. Most of the snow is going to be very late, 10 p.m., possibly 3 a.m. So, yeah, it's going to be very late. So, I would say anywhere in these blues, you will see snow. On Thursday morning, you will see snow from most of Pennsylvania. You will see snow. Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, parts of southeast Maryland, most of New Jersey, along the coast, maybe not. Most of Long Island, Connecticut, New York. This is mostly snow that will stick. You will see a lot of snow if you're in the blue. If you're in the blue, you will see snow. It's a very high chance. If you're not, then I can't say you will. Wow, look at this, everyone. It is negative 68. I am just kidding, everyone. This is very far up in the atmosphere. Very sorry, this is not. I'm just. That would be very cool to see. Negative 90 degrees. Alright, I am just kidding, everyone. Don't want to see that. Who would? But yeah. So now I'm going to take a look at that system as it moves in Thursday. But we're going to take a look at the upper level winds, if we can. Upper level winds. And that will really show us where this is. Alright, never mind. Alright, so yeah, this is what we're looking at. Not too high. We don't want to interfere with the jet stream a little bit. But you can see, as we go into the upper level winds, we can see this is how defined the system will be. It'll be sucking this wind, sucking the air right out of this area and shooting it through New Jersey and Long Island. So that can cause some gusty winds. Aviation will not be good in those areas. So I want to take a look at one last thing. So this is our current satellite imagery right now. Wow, this is a mess. Right now we're dealing with this area in the East Coast. And this is that other system. It's very large cloud cover, covering a lot of the west area. This thing is what is coming to the East Coast. Imagine this all being clear and this just copied and pasted right on top. That is what we'll be seeing on the East Coast, but a lot better defined is what we'll be seeing. And yeah, let's move on. So we're going to jump right on to the Weather Channel, looking at their forecast. We don't want to look at today's. This is for New York City. We're looking at 10-day forecast, and we just want to see what they're saying, what they're predicting for Wednesday. So Wednesday, it looks like we're going to be seeing, watching a potential winter storm, cloudy, snow showers developing in the afternoon. Chance of snow 60%, 1 to 3 inches of snow expected in the. Okay, now it actually looks accurate. Earlier, it's been very messed up, the Weather Channel's forecasts. Originally, they were saying it was just going to rain, and then it was a mess. Now it's really starting to agree with the models I'm looking at. They're saying that it is 1 to 3 inches and showers later in the day. That is what we're predicting. So, yes, showers in the day for New York City. Later at night is most of the snow is going to be not only for New York, but for New Jersey and everything. New York City, you're going to see 8 to 12 inches of snow. So that is very good. 8 to 12 inches is what is expected. It's a lot of 8 to 12 inches is also expected for a lot of New Jersey. So yeah, it's pretty accurate right now. Although there will be more winds south of New York. And then it shows AM snow showers for the next day. And this will just be cleanup day after the snow showers. And let's head over to Accuweather's forecast. See what they're predicting for this day in New York City. New York City, we're looking at. Alright, in the day, they're predicting 2 to 4 inches of snow. Similar to the Weather Channel, it really makes sense. 2.7 inches is all right. Not as intense. Where is evening? Oh, night. Here we go. Snow, some heavy, accumulating to 3 to 6 inches. So let's see. 4 inches plus 3 inches is 9 inches. So, yeah, 9 inches. For New York is what Accuweather is predicting. Possibly more, possibly less. We don't know. And now, I want to take a look at the National Weather Service's official forecasts. And we actually have some watches and warnings I want everyone to take a look at. So, we're looking at the New Jersey, Delaware, parts of New York, Maryland, and Pennsylvania watches and warnings. For a lot of New Jersey, we have a hazardous weather outlook. That just means it has a potential to snow in these areas, and not only snow, but very strong winds, very heavy rain in these areas. So that's why they posted a special weather outlook. Anywhere in this blue, I would say teal, I'm not totally sure. This color is a winter storm watch. This was issued last night for all these areas, and it's just saying more than 5 inches of snow is possible. And I would expect a winter storm warning probably tomorrow, late at night tomorrow into Wednesday. I could expect one possibly tomorrow, very late. I'm not totally sure. All right. But yeah, you can see it is very blue. Winter storm watch for a lot of Pennsylvania. And pay no attention to this winter storm warning or winter weather advisory. This is not for the systems we are tracking. Today there's a little bit of winter weather showers coming through the area, so that is not related. But everything else mostly is. And yeah. So over here is where we're seeing that system. Alright. We're going to take a look at more forecasts over here. So, looks like this is our temperature outlook. Snow outlook. From the National Weather Service over here. And yeah, let's move on. So I will be doing another stream tomorrow. Probably. Take a look at Pennsylvania now. Pennsylvania, it's looking very blue. Anything that's winter storm watch is not for today. It is for the upcoming system. Most hazardous weather outlooks also are for the upcoming system. So I think you guys should definitely prepare. Head to the store, maybe get some ice melt for your driveway and apply that tomorrow evening. It's going to have some snow showers in a lot of the Northeast tomorrow, or Wednesday evening, tonight. So you might want to put that ice melt down, buy a shovel, take the shovels out of the shed, take them out of the basement. I would say wash them off if they're outside. You're probably going to need them tomorrow. But yeah, you're probably going to see it tomorrow. You're probably going to need it. I would say get ready tomorrow, because you're probably going to need it soon. I think everyone should prepare. It could be a very bad system. And yeah. We also have a few forecast maps I'd like to show you. This one is the national forecast chart. We're mostly going to be focusing on the East Coast. This is today's forecast chart for December 14th. Over here is where this system is right now. It is showing a lot of snow and mixed precipitation in these areas. So yeah, anywhere in these whites, mixed snow, and in these blues, mixed precipitation, and some freezing rains possible over here today. But yeah, this is that system that we are really paying attention to right now, over here, and it will move. So put your eye on that system now. So now this is tomorrow's forecast. Not much. Wait, has it changed? Huh. I mean, this is today's. I'm sorry. This is our mixed precipitation over here. One of New Jersey, a half of New Jersey, Connecticut, New York, Pennsylvania, a lot of these areas you can see. This is tomorrow's forecast, And then this is the third day that we're going to be watching. And this day is really action day where everything is going to be happening. So anywhere in this white is where you'll definitely see some sort of precipitation or snow. Some sort of snow, whether it's snow showers, very light snow, very heavy snow. It could be anything. Anywhere in these light blues will be mixed precipitation, possibly snow, possibly rain. It's going to be very close to the freezing mark. So, yep, expect snow showers. Anywhere in this pink lined area, freezing rain is possible there. All the way into New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, all these states you could see has a little possibility there. And anyone in this white and gray lined one is very heavy snow. Very heavy snow and strong winds. So if you are in those areas, you should definitely get ready. I am. So yeah, if you guys are in this heavy snow possible area, I think you should prepare for this heavy snow. I think you should take the shovels out, take the snow shovels out, take the snowblower out, because you are going to need it. And hey, Live on Tropics, welcome to the stream. Oops. You should prepare. Whoa. But yeah, again, anyone in this heavy snow area, you should probably prepare for that heavy snow that is approaching. And yeah, this is that day. By tomorrow, we'll have a lot better data. And for viewers, welcome to the stream. This thing only goes up to three days, so we're on day 3. By tomorrow, we'll be getting a lot more data on the system, because then we'll have that 4th day, and this one will become more accurate. This one will become the 2nd day, and the next one will become the 3rd day. And that 3rd day, which is Thursday, will be very good data, because it shows not only Thursday morning, but Thursday day. We can see how it looks. Where is that? Is that on Tropical Tidbits or Windy.com? I'm not sure. But, yeah, if you just tell me which site it's on, I can go check that out. But, yeah, it does look like we're going to see a lot of snow in these areas in the next few days. Let's see what we have. Precipitation and 24-hour total. Let's say, this one. Oh, wow. All right, yeah, well, I think this might be it. Set to northeast U.S. So, yeah, it's looking like we're going to see a lot of snow. Anywhere in these blues, we're going to see some snow. Anywhere that's in any of these blues, we're going to see snow of somewhat. It could be just a shower. It could be anything above 1 inch. Doesn't show any trace amounts here, but you see there's some scattered showers back here and stuff. If you're in any of these colors, you're going to get snow. Now, when we get into these lighter blues, you're going to probably get 2 to 3, possibly 4 inches of snow. Any of these light blues. And then when you get into these purples over here, we have 6 inches of snow. And that's very likely. And if you're in any of these, I would say pinks, these very dark pinks, you're going to get 6 to, I would say, 8 inches of snow. And that's actually decent. If you're anything above that, any of these lighter pinks, you're going to get 9 to 12 inches. And that's already in inches. Yeah. Yeah, I can see over here. Northwest New Jersey has 18 inches over here. So yeah, if you're in any of the light greens, you're gonna see like 12 to 18 inches, and anything above that, probably less likely. We don't see anything above 24 inches. But over here we do have 18 inches, which is actually kind of high. 18 inches, it's getting up there. It's about 1 foot and 1.5 feet of snow in that northern area of New Jersey. So yeah, we could be seeing some not now. Sorry about that. Yeah, let me take a look. It takes forever to find them. That's the only thing. I keep forgetting where they are. Actually, let's see. Yeah, where can I find those? I am not sure where to find them. Because I keep forgetting where things are. Regions. I think it could be a little simpler, the models. Like, how to get to them. That's cool. Oh, global. Alright, yeah. Oh, alright, yeah. I'll look at the CMC first. So, yeah, alright, let's take a look. Alright, so it looks like we start out on Wednesday, late Wednesday, with some showers and snow showers and some rain showers moving in. And then once we get to Thursday, so this one says it's gonna hit a little like early in the morning, looks like. Yeah, so it looks like this one, the CMC is showing like it's gonna get very heavy snow in northern New Jersey. Is what it looks like. A lot of snow in northern New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Connecticut. Wow, it's like a lot of southern New York State, Connecticut, Rhode Island. Like all of these areas are probably gonna get a lot of snow. Probably not that much in Maine. Let's take a look at the icon model. So we start off. Alright, yeah, so this one, let's see. So we start off, the icon model, I don't know, it's showing a lot of heavy snow in southern New York State. Looks like it's really pushing all of this heavy snow more northern. And it looks like it's showing the temperatures lower in southern New Jersey and very south Pennsylvania, Delaware, and Maryland. Alright, yeah, I'll take a look at that in 1 second. I want to see the... Oh, not this. See the GFS. Yes, this one looks like it just comes through. Yes, this one, yeah, it's mostly showing it's going to come out of North Carolina at 1,002 millibar, and then head up to hit this northeast area at 993 millibars. Let's look at this one. Alright, this one shows most of New Jersey getting rain. Most of Delaware and Maryland's getting rain. It looks like most of the snow in these models are showing it sticking to the north. Mostly. Oh, this is cool. Oh, it shows the upper... Oh, it shows the steering. That's actually kind of cool. Alright, so it looks like over here is this system. It's a cool model. And then it shows it moving out. Wow, actually it's kind of... Alright, and... Just want to take a look at this real quick. And yeah, where can I find the snowfall one? Oh, the snow more. Alright, yeah, 1 second. Total accumulation. Oh, actually, this one's interesting. Total accumulation. So it looks like this is the total accumulation. It just looks like rain. Yeah, where can I find the snow? Precipitation anomaly. You know, let's just take a look over here. CMC. Well, what I just do. What is it? Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing. No idea what I'm putting on here. Alright, this looks like... Alright, yeah, I think I found it. Accumulated precipitation. This looks like in rain. Oh, total snowfall. And this is, alright, this is total snowfall for the icon model. Oh, wow. Alright, so it looks like by Friday, December 18th, anywhere in these blues, it looks like it's going to get snow. Somewhat. For the icon model. But it shows most of that snow accumulation up here, like 19 inches. That's actually getting kind of close to 2 feet. Like 5 inches away. It's like getting kind of closer to that. Alright, yeah, snow totals, yeah. Total snowfall. Now I'd like to take a look at the GFS one. Alright, so it looks like the GFS is showing more snow, more southern. So, yeah, like it's showing 18 inches over here. Alright, I'm also going to take a look at the CMC. Wow, the CMC shows some areas with over 2 feet. Now that is really interesting. Like 23 inches over here. yeah, it's just kind of very high. Looks like 12 feet in all these like lighter pink areas. And right in here in the middle, it looks like around 24 to 28 inches. That's really high. In parts of Pennsylvania. And yeah, it looks like it will dump snow for a lot of these areas, all the way into Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont. Like these areas, you can see a lot anywhere within the pink or greens or very dark purples. You're going to be seeing a lot of snow. This rain snow line on this model is a little bit more south than the others. Like it shows Long Island being a lot in this model. And let's see, is there any others? Yeah, this one only has total accumulated. Sorry, yeah, this one's not good. Does this one have it? Nope. Yeah, I'm just seeing, just playing around with the models real quick. This one has precipitation, but it doesn't look like it has snowfall. Real quick, I just want to try this one. And I did something wrong again. And the mesoscale model for radar forecast, I'll take a look at that in just a second. Mesoscale, let's see, the highest one. Try this one. Alright, this looks like the product. Alright, yeah, so this one looks like it only does show precipitation. It only shows in those green colors. So it doesn't look like it does show snow individually, because it is a radar product, I guess. But yeah, it looks like see some heavy. A lot of it on this model will stay off the coast, although still a lot of it will be impacting a lot of these areas. But this one doesn't look as widespread. I guess a lot of this will be snow. But yeah, it really does. Yeah, so it looks like this model is showing is it's going to combine with this other system off the coast. And yeah, it looks like this other one is a little bit weaker, and it's just going to absorb it, increasing its strength. So yeah, it's really going to do most of its strengthening over here in the North Carolina area. And it's going to head right off the coast and do a lot more strengthening, possibly to 999 millibars. The NAM3, alright, I'll take a look at that one. Alright, I'm going to zoom in to the northeast. Alright, wow, this is actually very good. This actually looks very high res, actually. It's a cool model. Alright, so let's see. It only goes up to the 17th. Alright, so we're just going to start off on the 15th. Alright, this is actually a very good model. It's slow. It doesn't go that far ahead. So we'll have to wait until tomorrow. I'll probably do another stream. But yeah, it looks like it's going to move in. And at first, it looks like a lot of it's going to be rain down here. And it's going to possibly switch to snow for this entire area up here. And a lot of the snow looks actually kind of heavy, with some freezing rain and sleet mixed in there. So yeah, it's a winter storm. It's definitely a winter storm. It is also probably going to be a nor'easter if it stays off the coast. This model is showing it head right through here. Other models show it head off the coast a little bit. So that this model is a little bit different. Oh, I did? Right. ECMW. Oh, on the global. Oh, let's see. I'm not sure if it's on here. Oh, there's other ones over here, actually. Alright, well, I'm going to try this one. So it starts, alright. So it looks like it's showing the area of pressure over here. Coming up December 17th. Alright. Yep, so now I'm just going to head right over to Pivotal Weather real quick. And then I'm going to end this stream soon. In a few minutes. So I just want to show Pivotal Weather. For a minute. Let's see. NWS forecast real quick. Alright, not this one. Let's see the WPC forecast. Day 3 excessive rainfall. Alright, under 5%. Alright, winter. Oh, wow. Alright, so it looks like we see a lot of winter storm reflectivity over here. So it's kind of intense over here. And even right here, we have a tiny area, but most of that reflectivity is definitely in the northeast and east coast. Oh, wow. And now we're just going to look at a few more forecasts. Alright, so it looks like up here in the northeast, they've already issued some winter storm watches, it looks like, all the way from New Jersey area, all the way through Pennsylvania, into West Virginia, and I believe that's Kentucky. I'm not totally sure. I know these winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories are not related to the system. Alright. So yeah, it does look like if you're in one of these, then you're definitely going to get some. Pivotal Weather Plus. Alright, well, I'm probably going to end the stream in a second because, yeah, I'm getting hungry and I'm going to go eat. But let's just take a look at this real quick. Let's see. So this goes back. Alright, well, I'm going to end the stream now. Because I got to go eat. But yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching. Hopefully everyone enjoyed the stream. And yeah, that's the end of the stream. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see everyone tomorrow. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you're in those areas, make sure you prepare. Get that ice melt. Take out your snow shovels and snow blowers, and get ready for this winter storm, because we can be getting a lot of winter weather. And shout out to Live on Tropics, to LucasArm, for supporting the stream here. And yep, thanks for watching. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to Pivotal Space, our other channel, link in the description. And yep, thanks for watching. Stay safe.